Taiwan's industrial titans are fast-tracking their AI-powered humanoid robots into the workforce. The Silicon Island holds a strategic advantage because it controls critical parts of the supply chain needed to turn artificial intelligence into physical embodied systems. Taiwanese manufacturing firms dominate the production of harmonic drives, actuators, joint modules, motion systems, and other components essential for humanoid robotics. The East Asian nations' factories already serve juggernauts like Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, Google, and Meta, making them experts at scaling complex hardware while maintaining quality standards. Taiwan's tight integration with the GPU maker Nvidia, the world's most valuable company, gives local manufacturers a head start in deploying real-time on-device AI for humanoids. Though it sits at the heart of humanoid robotics innovation, Taiwan's central role also makes it one of the most geopolitically exposed players in the AI to robotics transition. As China pushes its robotics dominance through Shenzhen, the West is investing heavily in reshoring manufacturing to reduce reliance on the global South. The dynamics put Taiwan in a high-pressure inflection point. What happens next could cement its role as the manufacturing destination for embodied intelligence or erode its long-held industrial strength. The industrial automation leader Techman Robot is fast-tracking its first humanoid robot it developed with Nvidia to mass production. The new Techman TM Xplore 1 could help smart factories go completely lights out, automating the last bits of work needing human-level precision and adaptability. The AI-powered humanoid robot inherits Techman's vision systems and precision control from its collaborative robots, or cobots, which are especially popular in electronics manufacturing. Techman is vying for second place in the global collaborative robotics market with the Chinese company Shenzhen Dobot, which recently started mass producing its bipedal humanoid, Atom, behind the clear leader, the Danish firm Universal Robots. Among Techman's customers is its parent company, the global manufacturing giant Quanta, which uses its robots to build hardware for companies like Apple, Meta, and Tesla. According to Techman, its humanoid robot is designed to collaborate safely with real people in places like factories, warehouses, and logistics hubs. Techman says the robot's wheeled mobile base is optimized for stable movement, precise positioning, and low power consumption. It runs on Nvidia's Jetson Orin platform for real-time onboard AI processing. The Humanoids AI is a vision-language action model that learns from human demonstrations, simulated environments, and synthetic data. An operator controls the robot through teleoperation, performing assembly, sorting, and precision manipulation tasks. Those trajectories are recorded and used to control the physical robot and its digital twin. Inside Nvidia's Omniverse, the virtual robot mirrors the actions in simulation, iteratively improving through reinforcement learning. Using Nvidia's Groot blueprint, tailored for humanoid development, Techman generates synthetic trajectory data based on real-world demos and fully simulated environments to train for diverse factory scenarios. Nvidia Cosmos Predict combines the real demonstration data with synthetic data to train the model, learning to interpret visual cues, voice or text commands, and translate them into robotic actions. The TM Xplore 1 can then adaptively perform tasks like electronics assembly, logistics handling, and precision packaging without full retraining. The approach could position Techman as more factory-ready than its rivals. Techman plans to scale production in the second half of 2026 after testing the humanoid in its own factory. The company hasn't revealed pricing, but its cobots typically cost in the $20,000 to $30,000 range. Launched in 2015, Techman employs more than 500 people globally and sells into over 40 countries through partnerships with Siemens, Omron, and Quanta's network. One of Quanta's main competitors, fellow Taiwanese manufacturer Foxconn, is reportedly developing its own industrial humanoid with Nvidia. According to reports, the company plans to deploy humanoids at the AI server plant it's building in Houston, Texas, to automate complex assembly and logistics tasks. In the meantime, Foxconn has reportedly established a long-term partnership with the Shenzhen Robotics leader UBTech to integrate its industrial walker humanoids into its facilities. During the 2025 Computex conference in Taiwan, Nvidia founder Jensen Huang highlighted Nurabot, a healthcare robot developed by Foxconn and Kawasaki for assisting hospital nurses. The wheeled humanoid reportedly reduces nurse workloads by up to 30%, delivering medicine, carrying samples, and retrieving supplies. It began real-world testing in April 2025 at the Taichung Veterans General Hospital, one of Taiwan's leading national healthcare facilities. The robot's design is based on Kawasaki's Niaki autonomous social robot platform. Developers are enhancing the robot so it can communicate with patients, recognize faces, and help safely move people. Another long-established industrial automation player, Solomon Technology Corporation, has developed a simulation platform for humanoid robots to practice tasks in a virtual world powered by Nvidia digital twin technology. According to Solomon, the system combines advanced 3D and AI-powered vision tech to give humanoids superior eyesight. In this demo from earlier in 2025, a G1 robot from the Chinese company Unitree Robotics reads tiny letters on an eye chart from more than 5 meters or 16 feet away with near-perfect accuracy. A person with 20/20 vision can typically read the smallest lines on a standard eye chart at 6 meters, which is the typical testing distance used by optometrists worldwide. This means Solomon's AI-powered 3D vision is already performing at near human-level distance vision, but with one big difference. It can process fine details instantly without straining its eyes. Solomon also combines image recognition with language understanding so it can answer questions about what it sees in real time. The company sells its AI and robotic solutions to a broad range of international clientele, especially in manufacturing and precision sectors. Another Taiwanese automation stalwart, Kenmec Mechanical Engineering, just announced a partnership with the German startup Robotics to bring its human-like machines into Asia-Pacific factories. They're developing a joint solution that targets the last mile in semiconductor logistics, automating tasks like packaging and testing. Launched by German entrepreneur David Rieger back in 2017, NEURA originated in Shenzhen as Hans Robot and moved operations to Deutschland in 2020. NEURA's robots include its flagship general-purpose humanoid, the For Anyone, and collaborative robots the startup says have cognitive abilities. A younger Taiwanese company, Touché Solutions, is developing synthetic skin to give robots a sense of touch. Its flagship product, called T-Skin, functions as a flexible safety layer that detects contact and responds instantly so robots can stop, slow, or adjust their movements to prevent human injury. Touché was spun out of the Industrial Technology Research Institute back in 2017. For a comprehensive look at the humanoid robots to watch out for globally, check the related video.